In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Business Profile access. Welcome! Sharing access to your Google Business Profile can be essential, especially if you're working with a team to manage your business's online presence. Whether you're looking to add a new manager or just need to share access with a colleague for a quick update, I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. First things first, let's head over to the Google Business Profile website. You'll need to sign in using your Google account, so make sure you're logging in with the account that has administrative access to the business profile you wish to manage. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the home page of your Google Business Profile. Now, to begin the process of sharing access, locate and click on your business profile name. This should be fairly straightforward. If you have multiple businesses, make sure you're selecting the correct one. After selecting your business, you'll notice 3 dots, often referred to as the More button. Click on these dots to unveil a list of options related to your business profile's settings and management. Among the options presented, find and select Business Profile Settings. This will take you to the back-end settings of your Google Business Profile, where you can adjust various aspects of your profile. Within the Settings menu, look for the section labelled People and Access. This area of your settings is where you can manage who has access to your Google Business Profile and what level of permissions they have. Within the People and Access section, you'll see an option to Add. Click on this to begin the process of sharing access to your profile. This is where you'll specify who you're inviting and what role you're assigning them. In the field provided, type the email address of the individual you wish to give access to. Make sure to double check the spelling of the email address to avoid any issues with the invitation. Lastly, after entering the email address, click Invite. This will send an email invitation to the person you're adding, giving them instructions on how to accept the invitation and access your Google Business Profile. And there you have it. You've successfully shared access to your Google Business Profile. Remember, the person you invited will need to accept the invitation before they can start managing the profile alongside you. Keep in mind that you can always manage users and their permissions through the People and Access section should you need to make any adjustments in the future. That's all for today's tutorial. Sharing access to your Google Business Profile is a powerful way to ensure that your business online presence is always up to date and managed efficiently. Whether you're adding a co-manager or simply delegating tasks, following these steps will ensure a smooth transition. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your online business presence effectively.